Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, Ya ayyuhar rasulu balligh ma unzila ilayka min rabbik, wa illam taf'al fama ballaghta risalatah. والله يعصمك من الناس إن الله لا يهدي القوم الكافرين. Translation: O Messenger, announce the message that is revealed to you from your Rabb, and if you do not deliver it, then you have not conveyed His message, and Allah will protect you from the people. Indeed, Allah does not guide the disbelieving people. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam that whatever is revealed to you from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, give it to the people without holding anything from it. Announce the message to the people very clearly, and if you are not able to deliver everything that is revealed to you, then you have not conveyed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's message to people. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did his job with absolute perfection and followed all the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha said that whoever among you say that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam hid any bit of the revelation from whatever was revealed to him, the person who says that is a liar. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also mentioned that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the protector of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. And Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha said that when this ayah was revealed, so the Sahaba and companions who used to guard Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he sallallahu alayhi wa sallam told them that you can go. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has promised to guard me. And among those Sahaba, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam uncle Hazrat Abbas radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu was also included, and he also stopped guarding him sallallahu alaihi wasallam after that. In the end of the ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that Inna Allah la yahdi al-qawm al-kafirin, meaning that indeed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not guide the disbelieving people. And some scholars have said that these disbelieving people, if they try to harm you, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they will never find the way to harm you, and they will never be guided for this purpose. During the Hajjatul Wida, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave his sermon and then asked all the Sahaba that were present there that did I convey the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to you? All of them said yes. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Allahumma shahad, meaning, oh Allah, be a witness of this. And then he said that whoever is present, now give the message to those who are not present. This hadith is recorded in Al-Bukhari. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has commanded Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam clearly that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam must convey all the message that came to him from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and if he does not do so, he did not complete his job. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was also promised to be guarded from anyone who wants to harm him. And despite of this clear ayah, some of the misguided people who claim themselves to be Muslims keep a belief in their hearts that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was given the commandment by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make Hazrat Ali the Khalifa after him, but Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not do it because he was afraid of some Sahaba. This is a baseless claim, and this ayah categorically negate that claim. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.